In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Perplexity AI to repurpose one single idea in 5 different ways. Let's get started. First, I'll head to the search bar and type in a prompt to write a 300-word blog post about the benefits of a 10-minute morning meditation. I click the arrow to generate the response, and Perplexity quickly provides a well-structured post highlighting how meditation improves focus and lowers stress. The result is a professional article that includes 3 distinct scientific advantages and a clear call to action for readers. Now, I'll use the follow-up box to turn that blog post into a 5-tweet thread using engaging hooks and emojis. The AI generates a series of punchy, shareable posts that break down the research into bite-sized insights. This format is perfect for social media, offering a mix of educational facts and motivational hashtags to drive engagement. Next, I'm requesting a 60-second script for a YouTube short that explains why morning meditation is the best way to boost daily productivity. Perplexity delivers a high-energy script complete with visual cues and a fast-paced narrative designed for a quick-cut video style. It effectively translates the original blog points into a spoken format that feels natural and urgent for a video audience. For my 4th format, I'll ask for a friendly weekly newsletter snippet that encourages subscribers to start a 7-day meditation challenge. The resulting text is warm and inviting, providing a structured plan that fits perfectly into a wellness email. It summarizes the core benefits of the practice while offering a low-friction way for subscribers to take immediate action. Finally, I'll ask for a structured infographic outline that visually lists the physical and mental benefits of the routine. Perplexity organizes the information into clear sections, including a header, mental boosts, and physical perks like lower blood pressure. This provides a perfect blueprint that I can easily hand off to a designer or plug into a tool like Canva to create a high-quality visual asset. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.